Hey guys, welcome to Nanda's Crafts. On today's video, I want to show you guys the envelopes that I made with the vellum paper. On my last video, I did a Hobby Lobby haul and I showed the vellum paper that I got from the clearance section at Hobby Lobby. So here it is, the envelopes that I made. They turned out so cute. I like the one with the polka dot design, the seashell, and here is the one with this, and the roses. So cute. The vellum paper is the right size to make these types of envelope, and they are quick and easy to make. Let's go make one together. Here I chose the one with the roses design, and this is the part that we are going to fold the envelope. So first I need to take this out. And I'm gonna fold the paper this way. And right here, you need to leave enough space to edit 2 strips of the double side tape. And now I'm going to crease the paper. And I'm going to crease on this other side too. Make sure that you keep holding in the middle so it doesn't move. Now, I'm going to use a ruler and another ruler, and the edge of my paper needs to be exactly with the 2 cm line, because this is going to be the part when I'm going to close the envelope. So all the way down, the edge of my paper needs to be at the 2 cm line. And now I'm going to mark and crease the paper. I am going to cut these 2 parts that I don't need. Now I'm going to cut these parts in angle. Same thing with those 2. Cut in angle. Check it out. I need to cut a little bit right here. There you go. Now I'm going to do this other part, and the only difference it is that the edge of my paper needs to be a 1.5 cm line all the way down. Now I'm going to mark, crease the paper, and cut the 2 parts that I don't need. Cut an angle. Gotta be really careful cutting a vellum paper because it's very fragile. So cut this part at angle, the same thing as I did in this other part. Then check it out. So now I'm going to edit the double side tape. So I'm going to just fold this part in so my double-sided tape doesn't get in there. And I'm gonna put it right here with the edge of the paper. And I'm gonna put another one. So press. So make sure this part is out. You don't want to glue this together with this part folded in. So make sure it's out. Now I'm just removing the tape. And press. I'm going to edit 3 pieces of the double-sided tape. Press, and now I'm going to remove the double-sided tape. And fold. And there you go, a quick and easy way to make an envelope with a vellum paper. Like this video if you like it, share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!